Start.
Opposite of delighted is good.
Write down. Read again.
B-O-R-D, word. Opposite of delighted is good.
Good. Go.
Opposite of happy is sad. Let's read it sad. Opposite of is happy, sad.
Start.
Opposite of smooth is rough. R-O-U-G-H, rough. Opposite of smooth is rough.
Start. Say again.
Soft is dry.
Good. Write down. Read spelling. Say again. Good.
Of target is ended.
Read spelling. Read again.
Opposite of target is ended.
Good.
Opposite of clean is dead. Clean is dead. Opposite of green is dead.
Read loudly.
Opposite of green is dead.
Say again.
Opposite of green is dead. Opposite of go is come. Opposite of go is come.
Start.
Opposite of good is bad.
Say again.
Opposite of good. Opposite of good is bad. Opposite of good. Opposite of after is before. Opposite of after is before. Opposite of is like is unlike. Opposite of differently, depends, same.
Say again.
Opposite of different, means same. Opposite of less, more. Opposite of
E write properly.
opposite of less is more.
Good.
Opposite of near is far. F-A-R, far. Opposite of near is far.
Good.
Opposite of quickly is slowly.
Read.
S-L-O-W-L-Y. Slowly.
Say again.
Opposite of quickly is slowly.
Good.
Opposite of real is unreal.
Read.
UN, army, real.
Say again.
Opposite of real is unreal. Opposite of kind is unkind. Opposite of kind is unkind.
Good.
Opposite of new is old. O-L-D, old. Opposite of new is old.
Super. Good.
Opposite of small.
Read.
S-M-O-L-L, small.
Read again.
Opposite of big is small.
Start.
Opposite of right is wrong. Opposite of right is wrong. Opposite of honest is dishonest.
O write properly. O.
Opposite of honest is dishonest. Opposite of up is down. Opposite of up is down. Opposite of above is below. Opposite of easy is difficult. Opposite of easy is difficult. Opposite of open is closed. Opposite of open is closed.
Opposite of large is small. Opposite of large is small.